Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ally Bank login not working. If you're trying to log into your Ally Bank online account and you're not being able to do so, then here are some few simple steps you could try and follow. The first thing to do is to make sure that the device that you are using to log into your account is connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you are connected, try logging into your account again. The next thing to do is to make sure that you are entering the correct credential to log into your Ally online banking account. Select your account type from the drop-down, enter your username and your password correct, and log in. If you're entering an incorrect username and password, you won't be able to log in and access to your account. If you've forgotten your username and password, you can click on Forgot Username or the Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to get help resetting your password. If you're still not being able to log into your account, then go and tap Open Settings app from your iPhone. Under the Settings menu, select Safari. Now, scroll all the way down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping on the red Clear History and Data option again, and simply go ahead and open up your web browser and try logging into your Ally online banking account again. You can also try updating your Safari app. Simply go and open up your app store. In the search bar, search for Safari and check if there is any updates available for the app. If there is, you'll be able to see an update button. Give a tap on the update button and you'll be able to download the latest version of Safari app. After making all of these changes, you might be able to fix your issue for logging into your Ally online banking account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.